We need to begin with an extremely short audio clip from the day of Sarah Boone's sentencing.
And then she had to fill out a form, an indices form for appeal. She wants me to file an appeal, and I'll do that within 30 days, and then the court will appoint an appeal.
So, what you just heard, hopefully it was boosted enough, it was very quiet, was James Owens saying, she wants me to file an appeal, and I'll do that within 30 days, and the court will have to appoint. He goes on. There's a lot more. The main thing is Sarah Boone wanted James Owens to file a notice of appeal, which didn't happen. Now, I tuned into Lawyer You Know, hoping that when he covered it, he would have all the answers, and everyone else is missing something obvious, and it appears, no, he doesn't know either. Here's the actual docket on the Orange County Clerk, and if you go to here, you're going to see that we have the order appointing counsel. I believe this is to fix it. Is it December 18th? And then we have the affidavit of insolvency. It's going to be the 23rd. And he mentions that maybe the 30 days don't technically start till, the insolvency thing is done, possibly. And then also maybe weekends don't count with the holidays. We could still be within the 30 days. But even if we are, this raises a question of why didn't James Owens file a notice of appeal? Because if he told Sarah he wasn't going to do it, I have no doubt she would have filed it pro se. He did file this statement of judicial acts to be reviewed, which we've covered before. I have covered this on the channel and gone through it. But this is not a notice to appeal. This is not what he needed to file for that, as far as I'm aware. And he should have known that, because James Owens, also after Sarah Boone's sentencing, mentions that he's filed an appeal in another case, and then it went on with an appellate lawyer and ended up winning, right? So, what happened? I don't have a long video to make. I just want to make it clear. Things are still uncertain. And my question is, why didn't James Owens file the notice of appeal if Sarah Boone asked him to, if he still filed this document? I don't know. And also, I found out there is a appellate court search, and I cannot see Sarah Boone on it for Florida. So I'm at a loss as much as everyone else. Seems like everyone is just waiting to find out what happened. But if there was ever a case to have all of these problems, it would be Sarah Boone's. It all makes sense in that context. Everything's a mess in that case.